One of the things I love most about REScoops is that it brings people together from different countries and different cultures. And every time I come, I learn something different, and I always leave inspired.
We are facing an energy transition from centralized energy production based on fossil fuels and nuclear fuels. And this is a unique chance to take ownership in this energy transition.
A lot of very good speakers, but a lot of very concrete examples of what is done.
We became nationally famous for our power plant.
And then we built our first large wind turbine. It's on the most beautiful spot in the Netherlands. Well, we're building a big European community and a movement, so just being together, drinking beers together, sharing ideas, it just strengthens the whole federation and all the cooperation between the REScoops.
I was very glad to share this moment with our friends of Croatia. I was amazed by the enthusiasm that you guys brought to this event, and to see that things were really happening together with your local authorities. We are really looking for the next step and to support and to make this adventure going on for the next years.
Danas jako važno ljudima pokazati da bolji svijet se već događa, da ga ljudi žive, rade i da je to svuda oko nas i da se samo trebamo tome pridružiti. Druga stvar koja nam je bitna sa konferencijom da se ljudi povežu i mislim da smo to uspjeli postići.